hold on.
letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you care for me, said you be there for me, cry for me.
Murder on the beat.
Welcome back, ladies and bells. Today is wash day. This is part 2 of a series that I'm posting on my channel. In part 1, I showed how I construct my ALL NAURAL texturizer. In this video, I will show you exactly what products I use. This is my hair after I wore it in a protective style for about a week. So as you can see, there's buildup and residue, hair gel, and it actually didn't start looking that crummy until I put oil on it and took my hair down. But yeah. Okay, so I don't always clarify on my wash days, but because of that buildup that I have here, I'm going to do so today. So I'm taking my apple cider vinegar and first just wetting my hair before applying. Normally I have my apple cider vinegar mixed with a little bit of water in a spray bottle, but I started my hair without the spray bottle and it was upstairs and I didn't want to go up there with my hair dripping, so I just grabbed a Pyrex measuring cup and I measured out about 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water. Here I'm just picking out the mother particles of the vinegar that have settled and came up when I shook it up. And then I'm going to apply that to my hair and just massage pretty much the scalp and a little bit of the strands to help lift some of that product buildup. Okay, so next step, shampooing. I am using my Shea Moisture Dandruff Control shampoo and I'm just going to apply that to the scalp. You mainly want to focus on the scalp and whatever may run down your strands as you're washing, that's enough to cover the strands. It's best to shampoo the scalp because that's where most of your buildup comes from. But essentially your hair strands are dead after they're about a few inches or so off of your head. So the key is that we want to retain moisture in our strands, and constantly shampooing your strands and clarifying them is only going to dry them out. So that's why you see me here mainly focusing on the roots and scalp. I don't always do this much cleansing or clarifying to my scalp and hair, but because I had this protective style in and I had some buildup, I just wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean. Having a clean slate guarantees the best results for your wash and go. Here I was just using the camera to check and see if I had any suds left behind, which as you can see there is plenty. Now I am using my Shea Moisture Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Co-Wash. I am going to apply this mainly to my strands. Normally, the first step for me in wash day is a co-wash, and then I go straight to my conditioner. But as I keep stating, I did have a lot of residue in my hair, so today I am just rolling out the red carpet for you guys and showing you everything that I have in my closet. Hair closet, of course. So you want to apply this to your strands. This is actually the same manner that I would recommend applying your conditioners as well. Just generously coating them, of course, and then I try to take smaller sections and kind of just do this hand swooping motion that you are seeing here. Ensures that I'm coating my strands evenly, and also, as you see in this motion, I'm stretching them out to make sure just each part of the hair is being coated. For those who are unfamiliar, a co-wash, that title is simply an abbreviation for conditioner wash. So essentially, co-wash is just a conditioner. That's why a lot of times I even just wash my hair with regular conditioners that I have. You are able to use that in place of shampoo for the simple fact that conditioner has enough cleaning agents in it to clean your hair as well. So as I earlier stated, the dangers of constantly shampooing and clarifying your strands, and then you turn around and you condition it, you're washing your hair 2 or 3 times by the time you shampoo and condition it. Occasionally, I run into knots in my hair like so. My best guess is that this could be caused by the manner in which I shampoo my hair and just older shedded hair getting entangled into my strands. I gently pull apart the strands to the best of my ability so that if there's multiple strands in the knot, I can free as many as possible. In some cases, like this one here, the knot is just encased around this one strand, so my best bet was to just clip it. Here I'm just adding my baking soda to my treatment that I created in the first part of this video series. I did state in that video that I would be saving the baking soda until I had washed my hair and was ready to apply it immediately. That's because once you add the baking soda, this treatment starts to grow. It bubbles up a little bit, and I just didn't want to deal with the hassle of it spilling over or the baking soda losing its power while it sat while I washed my hair, so I just saved this step until now. As you can see, I was thoroughly enjoying this hair massage, just ready to take a nap. And these are my final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I post part 3 of this series, which is removing this treatment from your hair and what you're supposed to do after that for your wash and go. Bye-bye.